Hey, what's up guys? I'm Matt Stefanina, and today I'm gonna be teaching you the Money Moves Dance Challenge. Now this is a super easy, super fun dance. Anybody can do it, even if you're not a dancer, don't worry, I got you. And I gotta give a huge thank you to our friends at SoFi for sponsoring this video. They're a financial super app that's here to help you get your money right and take control of your financial future. It's incredible, you can literally do everything on it. So whether you're trying to pay off debt, maybe save up for a down payment, trade stocks and crypto, you can do all of that there, which is so fun. It probably makes you want to dance. I have good news. Today, once you learn this dance, you're gonna be able to post it up for a chance to win $1,000. There's gonna be 50 winners that win $1,000 and a grand prize of $25,000. And all you have to do is download the SoFi app, post yourself doing this dance with the hashtag SoFiMoneyMoves. Check out SoFi.com/moveyourmoney for the official rules and more details on the challenge. And don't wait to check in on your financial well-being. Go start moving your money today. Download the SoFi app. It's absolutely amazing. So make sure you download it because you have to have the SoFi app in order to win, and that's where they're gonna be dropping the prize money. Thanks again to SoFi for sponsoring this video. And if you're ready, it's time to learn the Money Moves Challenge. All right guys, so let's get started with the tutorial. Now this is a really easy dance. Anybody can do it, so I got you. The first thing that we have is actually an intro, which I'm gonna teach you what I did, but the intro is completely optional. You could just slide in the frame, or if you're doing this with a friend, you could kind of hype each other up before we go into that first move. But just in case you wanna do what I did, it's really simple. You just lean to the side, come back in, and then you're gonna play the piano. You're gonna go da, 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 and then say what, like this. So the rhythm of it, it goes bum, 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 bum. That's what you're catching there. So the first actual step of choreography, we're kicking our right leg across. He's gonna say, I jump up on the stage. So my elbows are going in, like this. Your right leg is kicking, boom, boom, boom. And he says, I jump up on the stage. So we gotta add a little energy to it. So you're gonna hop on that left. I jump up on the stage. And notice too how I'm leaning back. If you do it like this, you're gonna be like, why does it feel awkward, right? I jump up on the stage 3 times. So this is a really important step. We're gonna do our money dance right here. So my hands are just going like this, money, money, and I'm going right, left, right. And you wanna get this groove down here. So again, we don't wanna do the money dance here. You wanna get low with it, hey. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. Hey, all right, we're gonna add a little bit more. You're gonna go over to the left. You're gonna throw this hand up, and then you're gonna make it rain down. I throw my money up, I watch my money land. Hey, so if you remember the lyrics, it'll help you remember the moves. So your right foot goes out, you're going over here, then you go back on your right foot and watch my money land. And my hands here just making it rain, yeah? You wanna let that be really bouncy and loose. So just let all the tension out of your body and just bounce back and forth with that. Let's go back from the top slowly. You're going 6, 7, 8. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. You go, throw my money up and watch my money land. Hey, you got that. Let's speed it up one time. You go 6, 7, 8. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I'll throw my money up and watch my money land. Hey, there you go. That's about the real speed of it. If you're newer to choreography and you can't like get it perfect or full out, don't worry about that. Just have fun with it. You can even do it like, I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw my money, hey, and watch my money land. Like it could be a smaller, more chill version. That's fine too. All right, so going on to the second half of it now. You just came from here. We're gonna rock forward. You're gonna go forward. You're gonna lean to the left. And then you're gonna play the drum one time here, da, 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 da. So it's gonna go boom, side, da, da, da. You're gonna go boom, other side, money, money. The hands, D, 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 boom, ba, make it rain. What adds to it is that leg coming up. So you wanna go front, side, leg, and front, side, A. From here, we're gonna drop down. So after boom, boom, A, you're gonna drop to the left and go stack money up, A. It starts down here, it's getting higher, stacking up, stacking up. So all the way up to there. And the groove is literally just here with your legs. Same thing, if you do it like this, I mean, that could work, that's cool. But if you really come down to high with it, that level change looks really, really good. So boom, 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 boom. So you're gonna go back into your money dance that we did earlier. You're gonna go money, dance, A. Brings you up so that you can money dance. So you're going from this new section, 7, 8, you go front, side, A, and front, side, yeah. And low to high, 3, 4, money, dance, A. And then the last part, just like we had an intro that was kind of up to you, you have that same thing here with the outro. In the video that I did, I kind of did like a little wave situation. So again, you can copy that if you want, but the vibe is more like slow motion, something like slow, whether it's a wave or it's just even like, ooh, and then you're gonna hit that last beat right there. And that's it, y'all done. You made it through the whole tutorial. Great job. Let's go back slowly from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw some money up. I watch some money land. I do my my money dance. A, stack it up. A, money dance. A, I jump up on the stage. A, and party. Nice, all right, so that's a slow version. So here we go, a little faster. 5, 6, with the intro, bum, 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 bum. What? Jump up on the stage, do my money dance. I throw some money up, hey, watch the money land, hey, go, ha, ha. I do my money dance, hey, and I stack it up, hey, do my money dance. Slow motion on the stage, and do my money dance. I think we got it down. Remember to have fun with it. If you're not a dancer, you don't normally like learn choreography or anything like that, don't stress. It's not about it being perfect. It's just about having fun with it and the energy, especially at the end. Anything you want to do on that end part. I kind of like that one too. If you're like, oh, I don't know how to wave, but I don't know what to do. A really good option when you come out of that money dance is just like a slow like, ah, and then hit it at the end. All right, so let's try it one time with the music now that you guys got it down. Make sure we have everything good, and then don't forget to post up your videos because I really want to see you guys do this dance. Make sure you tag all the tags below. All right, here we go.
Laugh all the way to the bank on these MCs. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw some money up and watch the money land. I do my money dance. I do my money dance. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw some money.
All right, so now that you got the whole dance down, it's time to film your video, maybe a little practice first. But once you feel comfortable, remember you guys have to post up your videos using the hashtag SoFi Money Moves. And remember, you have to download the app in order to be eligible to win. So go download the app now, post your dance up. I can't wait to see them, and good luck.